Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to insert and format headers and footers in Google Docs. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you need to basically open up your Chrome browser here, and then here you will search for basically Google Docs here and press enter, and you need to click on the first link here basically, and then you need to click on this go to docs option, and then from here basically you need to click on this blank option, and basically to insert the header and footer into this page here, you will basically, if you double click on this empty space right over here, you can see that we have this option. Okay, now here basically you can add multiple things, like if you wanted to add the name of your school. Let's suppose that you are making an assignment, so if you wanted to add the topic, or if you wanted to add the name of your school, you can add this by you can add that here, and you can format it as well. If you want to make it to the center here, you can basically just go into this basically alignment, insert, format and align and intent, and make it center here. If you want to make it bold, just bold. If you want to increase its size, like this one. And same if you want to add a footer to your page, double click on this last spaces here, and let's suppose that if you wanted to show page numbers here, so you will click on this option and add page numbers and click on apply. And now when you will have multiple pages in your document, it will automatically number your page. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.